Hello and welcome to Mars 19. I am Daria, Mars 19. This is a great project with many modern features. Consisting of 4 blocks, Mars 19 is offering various apartment types from 1+1 to 4+1 duplex options. It's a profitable residential project with 4 season social facilities and peaceful green areas. And what about the location? So let's see. The project is located in افجلار, one of the most rapidly developing central areas in Istanbul. Now we are minutes away from Metrobus, the largest public transportation network of the city. You can drive to Atatürk Airport just in 15 minutes. A new metro line is under construction, which is expected to be complete in 2 years. The project is near E5 highway, which is one of the main arteries in Istanbul. Most importantly, it's very close to the افجلار port, so you'll have easy access to various regions through the ferries. As well as transportation facilities, the project is surrounded with prestigious universities, public schools, and a huge shopping mall. Due to its great location and proximity to schools and universities, the project is of a great advantage for students and professionals working in those institutions. This also makes Mars 19 a highly profitable project because the rental value also rises against all the projects in the area. Large and spacious balconies, indoor swimming pool, safe parking spaces, 24/7 security, smart home system, fitness center, and many more. Mars 19 has all that you need. So now let's see the sample apartments. So if you're ready, I would say let's go in and explore this 145 square meter 2+1 apartment. A bright and open entrance is welcoming us. And now, right to my left, I see the control panel of the smart home system. You can also connect to your home with a mobile application, and it allows you to contact with the compound management and security, monitor the compound entrance and social areas, as well as turning off all electronic devices with a single touch. For every apartment up to 10 users, you can connect to the smart system application with 5 different language options. Imagine that you are out of home and you forgot electricity on. Doesn't matter. Just connect with your mobile phone and shut off all electrical power. Besides, you can call the cab or ask for cleaning service. So now, let's call the cleaning service. The living room combines elegance with large, luminous windows and inviting comfort. From the hidden but chic ceiling lightings to the strong flooring materials, it makes you feel like you are here at home. This is a great apartment with exclusive features bringing comfort and modern technology into your life. The whole apartment has underfloor heating system. Also, both the living room and the master bedroom has air conditioning. The apartments are equipped with storage tanks for water and generator in case of power cut off. The system will remain for 3 days off the grid. So this was a living room, and let's have a look now at the kitchen. It's right next to the living room, and it's all about elegance, simplicity, and functionality. One of the most striking advantages of Mars 19 is that all the materials, from primary ones to finishing details, are above quality. The kitchen is donated with built-in appliances such as a cooktop, a dishwasher, and this oven. In every inch of this apartment, you will discover that all the materials used around the house as a reflection of quality focused on architectural approach. Now we're in the master bedroom. Apart from the gracious lines around, this area surprises you with a secret luxury, a TV opening right up here. The apartment has 2 bathrooms. One of them is here in the master bedroom. Again, the quality pieces and the delicate style here in the bathroom match very well with the rest of the apartments. So this is the end of our tour for today. So it's time to go. Let's call a cab. That's all. This is such a peaceful home for your family, with high quality materials all over your apartment. A great location with easy access to nearly everywhere and an amazing opportunity to apply for Turkish citizenship program. All these for an affordable price. Your new life is waiting for you in Mars 19.